Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Crafting at the Lake House. These are projects I created for the attendees at my in-person event, and I'm sharing them all with you here on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring once again the pine tree trimmings stamp set, but I'm also I'm just using that for the sentiment. So this card has the textured note dies. So this is the second smallest from the rectangles, and I just stamped in the Pretty Peacock ink. 'Tis the Season, which comes in that stamp set, and that's all we're going to use in the stamp set. So this paper is called Elegant Pine designer series paper, and it's beautiful and I love it, and it has many different colors here, and I do give the sizes. I think this is the 1.5 by 3 inch, this is 4 by 4 inch, and that little small strip is 1 by 4, and I cut off an angle. And this card is very simple. It's just featuring the stamp set and the just the joy of that, sorry, not the stamp set, the designer series paper, because I really liked it. So we're also featuring some of the faceted snowflakes, which is a new embellishment for this. It's sort of like a suite. So I'm just going to pop the sentiment up with dimensionals, and then that's pretty much the card. So I always leave a supply list under each video and also on my blog post. So, and I have more pictures on the blog post if you wanted to go there. And of course, if you wanted to visit the online store, I would love to meet you and earn your business. So please stop by. And I mean, pretty much, you guys, I'm going to pull out the, what are they called? Faceted snowflakes. They come in 3 different colors: Pretty Peacock, Real Red, and Shining Diamond, I guess. And it's funny because at the end of my in-person event, there must have been 3 or 4 people that actually purchased the Take Your Pick tool, and that is the tool that I'm using. So one of the things that I really utilize is my pokey tool, my craft knife, and all of that. So you know, though if you don't have those tools, it's what really helps. But anyway, thanks so much for spending time with me today, for all the comments you leave, for the thumbs up and all the YouTube-y things. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it really helps my small channel grow. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.